Cakes are honestly one of the most beloved desserts in the world. From birthdays to weddings, no celebration ever really feels complete without one. Over the centuries, cultures have created unique cake recipes that, really delight every kind of palate. Chocolate cake is rich, moist, and, truly indulgent. It's made with cocoa powder or melted chocolate and is often layered with chocolate ganache. Variants include flourless chocolate cake, lava cake, and German chocolate cake. Vanilla cake is a classic choice with a soft, fluffy crumb and a delicate flavor. It's a blank canvas for buttercream, fresh fruits, or even custard fillings. Variants include funfetti cake, vanilla bean sponge, and Victoria sponge cake. Red velvet is known for its deep red color and mild cocoa taste. It's traditionally layered with cream cheese frosting. A southern United States favorite, it has variations like pink velvet and blue velvet cakes. Carrot cake is moist and hearty, often flavored with cinnamon nuts and grated carrots. It's typically topped with tangy cream cheese frosting. Variants include pineapple carrot cake and vegan carrot cake. Cheesecake combines creamy cheese filling over a crust, often made of graham crackers or cookies. It can be baked or no bake. Popular variants include New York style, Japanese cotton cheesecake, and fruity swirls like strawberry or blueberry. Sponge cake is light and airy, made by whipping eggs to create volume. It serves as a base for many desserts. Variants include Genoese, chiffon cake, and angel food cake. Originating from Germany, Black Forest cake layers chocolate sponge with whipped cream and cherries. It's rich, boozy, and elegant. Its variants include White Forest cake and mini Black Forest cupcakes. Fruitcake is dense and filled with dried fruits, nuts, and spices. Often soaked in alcohol, it's a holiday favorite. Variants range from light sponge versions to dark-aged fruitcakes. Pound cake gets its name from its traditional recipe. 1 pound each of butter, sugar, eggs, and flour. It's dense, buttery, and great with coffee or tea. Variants include lemon pound cake, marble pound cake, and sour cream pound cake. Tiramisu is an Italian no-bake cake made with ladyfingers soaked in espresso and layered with mascarpone. It's dusted with cocoa powder for a finishing touch. Variants include strawberry tiramisu and matcha tiramisu. This French delicacy has layers of almond sponge, coffee buttercream, and chocolate ganache. Molten lava cake is a decadent dessert with a gooey chocolate center. It's usually served warm with ice cream. Variants include white chocolate lava cake and peanut butter lava cake. Tres Leches cake is a Latin American treat soaked in 3 types of milk. Matcha cake uses finely ground green tea powder for both its flavor and its lovely color. It has an earthy taste, and pairs really well with white chocolate or even red beans. Variants include matcha roll cake and matcha cheesecake. Now, Napoleon cake is a layered pastry cake that combines puff pastry with pastry cream or sometimes whipped cream. Butter cake is dense and moist, made with generous amounts of butter. It's just perfect on its own or maybe with a light frosting. Variants include yellow butter cake, brown butter cake, and buttermilk cake. And then baked Alaska is a dramatic dessert made of cake and ice cream covered with meringue and briefly baked. Quite the showstopper, really. Swiss rolls are sponge cakes rolled with cream or jam filling. They're light, portable, and, pretty. Variants include chocolate roll, strawberry roll, and pandan roll cake. Lemon cake is tangy, moist, and refreshing. Popular in tropical regions, mango cake uses fresh or pureed mango for flavor. It's often layered with whipped cream or mango mousse. Variants include mango chiffon cake and Filipino mango float. Coconut cake is soft and fragrant, often made with coconut milk and shredded coconut. Ube cake is a Filipino favorite made with purple yam. It's eye-catching, subtly sweet, and usually frosted with ube buttercream. Variants include ube chiffon cake and ube roll. Marble cake combines vanilla and chocolate batters swirled together. Ice cream cakes blend layers of sponge and ice cream into one dessert. They're popular for birthdays and summer parties. Variants include cookie dough ice cream cake and Oreo ice cream cake.